How to fix Discord screen share sound not working. So in here, you can see I am currently in a call. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you yourself is not mute. So currently here you can see I am mute. All you need to do is tap on it and unmute yourself. Now you can try to speak and see if it's working. If it's still not working, then try to see if your speaker is not turned on. Here you can see this is the speaker icon. Currently it is not turned on. All you need to do is tap on it and turn it on just like this. Now I'm pretty sure that it's working, but if it's still not working, then next thing that you're going to check is whether you are connected to any Bluetooth device or not. Simply scroll down through your control panel, and then in here you can see there is the Bluetooth icon. Tap on it, and then here long press on this icon, and then in here check if you are connected to any devices or not. If you are, then make sure to disconnect your device. So the another thing might be your user volume being low. So long press on the user just like this, and then this pop-up will open, and then you'll have to scroll down. Here you can see on the voice settings, this is on the low. So what you're going to do is simply increase the voice just like this. And in here you can also see there is the option of unmute. That basically means that this user is currently muted. So tap on it. Now this user has successfully been unmuted. Now I'm pretty sure that it's working. So after doing all of this, if it's still not working, then the another thing that you can do is check whether your volume is on the low or not. So for that, again, you can simply click on volume up button, or you can scroll down through your control panel and make sure that this volume is up to the max. So after doing all of these and it's still not working, then try to update your Discord. For that, go back and then open your App Store. After opening your App Store, simply tap on the search icon, then tap on search bar, start typing Discord. After searching for Discord, here you can get the application, tap on it, and if there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update. All you need to do is tap on it, and like that, you will be able to update your Discord. And that is it. These were some few ways that you can try in order to fix your Discord screen share sound not working. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.